And now, like, I'm crashing. Probably. I need you to vouch. I'm back, I'm sorry. Oh, he doesn't reckon I'll shout. I have a dino. Press see if he says to find her. I know. I believe he will. I do believe this. I, I do believe this. Like, where's the dino? Give me the dino. If you don't have a dino, I'm gonna be very disappointed. By the way, I'm stopping at a Build-A-Bear on my way up. So I can buy myself one. I like to buy a dinosaur whenever I go somewhere. Because then each one comes from a different place and they'll be special. Beside him looking... Oh! I like to buy them when I go places. So then they each have like a little story. I need to get myself like a scrapbook or a notebook that I can put all their pictures in and their names. I've got that many. I already have the Oh my god. I have a few from different places in the UK. No. I may have accidentally bought 6 last year when I was in America. Accidentally. No, we're going. I take his photo. I don't have to appear in them. That's what I do with these two. Pixie, have you had a look in Tea and Biscuit Adventures in Discord? Have a look in that channel. You asked for it ages ago on Derp Stream. I did. Eh? That's me, same. Eh? Same. You're asking me to try and remember something that ain't gonna happen. You love it, don't worry. I love every dinosaur. Not a group of kids asking for Prime. On my phone, I've got these little cutie pie dinos. Oh, I love them. I want to get all three of them. I just can't afford it at the moment. But I nicknamed them the cutie pies. I've got some dinos indoors as well, and there was 4 of them in a packet together. And I called them the Grumpy Boys. They're like a boy band called the Grumpy Boys. That's their name. They are adorable. I know. They went on all the rides. They drove a monorail. Look, my home screen on my phone is Tea and Biscuit. Wearing their little lounge. Wait. Wearing their little lounge fly bags with the castle. So cute. I have a pic of Temple in his Hogwarts robes. Oh no! You can post that in media. I want to see. I want to see. One sec. I'm still confused at what Chloe asked for from. I don't even know, Derp. Apparently a dinosaur. Just sounds like that. Yeah, I'm always asking for dinosaurs. Do you know what I might do? I don't care anymore. One sec. Because I'm bored of listening to these songs, I'm just going to play my playlist today. Blue sliding into my DMs. Right, guys, can we keep the chat, like, you know, mature here? I told you there's children about. I didn't even come up in chat. Or do you think that's late? They added that song in Fortnite. And I'm just like, yeah, I need that. It's family friendly glowing. I mean, I don't swear, I'm good. I mean, I don't swear on stream or around people. Just in here. Sometimes. I've noticed I've started doing it a lot more recently. I've heard Chloe swear. It's usually aimed at me. Yeah, 'cause you stink. You beep stink. There you go. I don't have a beep sound thing. Alright, guys, I'll be back in a second. I won't be long. Back in a sec. Hi. I'm back. Hi, back. I'm Chloe. How you guys doing? Chloe Dirt, why? What are you doing? Hi, back. I'm Derp. I said hi, back. I'm Chloe. I don't even think this is on shuffle. It's not. Nothing. Nothing what? I want to look at the pictures of Tedpool. Ah, look at his little Hufflepuff costume. It's so cute. Sorry, that's adorable. That is actually the most adorable thing I've ever seen. And Blue's bullying me, but I'm not getting involved in this domestic dispute. Look at me using big words. He had a little unicorn backpack as well. Oh my god, I'm so cute! So cute! I'm bringing him to see if he says with me, but needs to get him a pirate outfit. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. And he needs to get a picture with Tea and Biscuit, because Tea and Biscuit come in. You should be able to get a pirate outfit quite easy, right? Maybe if you look on eBay, you might. Hopefully. I made Biscuit's hat, because he's got the funny blue hat. And then T's hat was actually part of a headband. I've got a whole box full of little hats for him. It was part of like a headband for like carnival costumes. And I just took the headband off of it and it just fits him perfect. I got a whole box of hats and I need to attach some string onto them. And then add it as like a channel point redemption where you guys pick the hats for them to wear, but I haven't had chance. I'm nearly done with the handles. Okay. Let me just got the big boy. You distract Chloe. I'll get sweeping. What are you sweeping? I think I found one with a... What do you mean sweeping? I think I found one with a cutlass. Yay! I want to get Amy a shark Build-A-Bear, but they don't sell them that often. I know you can buy them on eBay, but it's not the point. What are you sweeping, Blue? Your table... Oh. Ah. I got eyes like a hawk. I'm not easily distracted. Let me rephrase that. Amy's not easily distracted. I, however... Yep. Rolls up newspaper and spots Blue. Throws down a plushie on the way, shark plushie the other way. So I'll go get both. Have Build-A-Bear done anything for Star Wars Day? Or not really? Catches both, runs... Wow, Rue. I thought we were friends. Disgusting behaviour. Stealing my dinosaur. How dare you? Rue? Nah, I can never do that, though it's going to be hard to pick. And not max out my card. Nah, I feel bad. You can always get something later, though. You don't have to buy everything now. Because all the stuff that I'll be taking with me will be on the store. So, you don't have to get it, like, now. You can get something later. Rue? Who? Uru? You're going to be at Sea of Thieves Zest. They have a new Hollow Vase. I saw that one. Your stuff is too good, I want it all. We're friends, Chloe. I was saving them. Sure. You were stealing them! I may or may not be. Is never soon enough? What do you mean, how soon? How soon what? Next month? What? Wave's hand? What? I wasn't saving them. Taking them. That's what I'm saying! You're stealing them! Yay! I got tidied up the handles a little bit, but good timing. Sharks or dinosaurs? He would say dragons. He loves dragons. I bought a ticket. Stealing is such a dirty word. Keeping them safe is my no. No. I don't really care. You're stealing them. Why do I do that? Ah! I'm okay. Nearly fell off my chair. Sometimes. Not like last year when I forgot it was your birthday. And you sent me a picture of Lego. And I was like, oh, that's a nice treat, Danny. Nice Lego. And then he was like, it's my birthday. And I was like, it is. I didn't forget this year, though. I remembered this year. So, you know. I am a bad friend. How is this dried up? I'm raging at my paint. Hurt my feelings and everything. You see, when you don't use it and the weather is warm, the paint dries. Do you end stream? No, I won't. No, I won't. Not until these are finished. Sorry.